morning did I wake up with a gleam in my eye, because the sun was shining brightly on my piece of the pie. An old man muscle bowed before the outspread clouds, but I danced beyond the crutches of his feeble sounds. Let it rain, oh let it rain, let it rain, oh let it rain. But the wildflowers shouted not to be outdone, only they were but a shadow to the screaming sun. On a naked meadow shaking stirred the fiery grass, only I could not be kept, I turned it all to ash. Let it rain, whoa, let it rain, let it rain, oh, let it rain. I wake up to the water pouring in my front door. I look outside my window and the hills are no more. They say that it might go on for another 40 more days, until we pick up by the roots and float right away. Let it rain.